In this video, I will be sharing the Instagram latest AI features for the story uploadation. So for that, the process is very simple. Just simply open up the Instagram application, upload a picture that you want to post on the story, and once you are in the this sort of a menu, you will see three dots on the top right corner. Just click on that, and you will see different sort of option. One is label AI. What it will do, it will label your picture as made with AI. So that is not our main concern right now. We are going to go with the second option, which is the restyling. So in here there's a bunch of options. Right now we can generate something, generative AI picture. Well, we can add objects in the pictures using the add option. We can remove the objects from the pictures as well using the remove option. So here there's the add option right over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write a prompt which says smoke out of the exhaust. So it typically means that if the AI is good enough to learn from the AML project, it will show the smoke coming out of the exhaust of the car. But here you guys can see that it's not that good at the moment, and the smoke is coming from behind the car, not from the exhaust of the cars. So let's give it another try. Let's search and do give another prompt to the AI. Let's see if it can add the smoke to the exhaust. Add smoke out of the exhaust. I'm just making sure that if the AI works well, because I think that Instagram AI has to go a long way. Right now, it's not that good. And here you guys can see that the pictures that it has generated are not that good, and the smoke isn't coming out of the exhaust pipe. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.